Here's a new 2019 Jeep Cherokee. From rough trails to downtown nightlife, this Jeep Cherokee handles it all with the perfect combination of grit and grace. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, keyless go, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reveals the 2016 Cherokee can deliver plenty of off-roading capability, but the bigger story is that it's civilized and comfortable enough to drive to work every day. Journey anywhere in a Jeep. Experience it for yourself today.
The friendly professionals at Perkins Motors are proud to serve the surrounding communities of Denver, Littleton, and Pueblo, Colorado. We're conveniently located at 1205 Motor City Drive in Colorado Springs, Colorado.